Hello kids, this is your teacher Ms. Gunjan Daswani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota, and today we will learn how to write a notice. So children, before learning to write a notice, we will see what is actually a notice. A notice is information regarding an important event that is about to happen. It is publicly displayed, a kind of information for others to know and follow. So basically, it is written in order to inform people or students in a school about a competition, an exhibition, an event, and many more. So now let's look at some important points that we need to remember while writing a notice. So first point is always enclose a notice in a box. So children, it should always be in a box. Second, it should not exceed the word limit, that is 50 words. So the word limit is also given to us, that is 50 words, and we should not exceed it. It should have a formal tone. As we are writing a notice that is publicly displayed, so it should contain a formal tone. Last, the date should be written in an extended form. As you can see, which way is correct to write the date. So now let's look at the format of notice. Children, please understand it carefully, listen to it very carefully. If you missed any point, your marks will be deducted. So now let's begin. We will make a box. First of all, it should be very neatly drawn with the help of ruler and pencil. After that, in the box, we will write name of the school or organization in the center, on behalf of which the notice is drafted. Next comes the heading notice, that is to be written in capital block letters only. As you can see in the picture, it is written in capital block letters, so you have to write in this way only. Now leave one line and in the left hand side write down the date in an extended form. Children, you have to write the date on which we are writing the notice. Don't forget it. Now leave one line again, and in the center you have to write down the topic. So the topic can be like any competition, any event, any trip, etc. according to the question. After that comes the body or the content, in which we will give details regarding any topic on which we are writing the notice. It should contain the details like we are writing notice for any competition. So we will give details like when it is going to happen, where it will happen, what's the last date to participate. So now after that, leave one line, write down the name of the person who is writing the notice. Children, if the name is assigned to you in the question, so you will write that name only, not any other name. Then in the last, you will write down the designation of the person who is writing the notice. It means at which place he or she is working in an organization, like it can be head boy, head girl, in charge, secretary, etc. So now keeping these points in mind, we will understand it more precisely by solving a question. So now let's look at the question. You are Rachit or Riya, head boy or head girl of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Your school is organizing a dance competition for classes 1st to 12th. Draft a notice for your school notice board giving all the necessary details in not more than 50 words. So, by reading this question, we have found out that the name is assigned to us, that is Rachit or Riya. After that, the post or the place of Rachit or Riya is given to us. Boys will write down Rachit followed by its designation, that is head boy, and girls will write Riya. After that, head girl, that is their designation. So now we are given with the name of the institution too, that is Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. And now in the next line the topic is also given to us, like your school is organizing what? A dance competition, and it is organized for classes 1st to 12th. So now we have to give information regarding regarding this competition in not more than 50 words. So we are given with the word limit also, that is 50 words, and we should not exceed it. So now let's start with the answer. We will make a box first of all, and then we will write name of the institution, that is Shiv Jyoti Educational Group quota, followed by notice that will be written in capital block letters in the center. Now today's date will come and we will write it in an extended form, as you all know that which way is correct and which way is incorrect. Now we will write the topic, that is dance competition. After that starts the content. In this we will give information regarding the competition, like when it is going to conduct, at what time, at which date, what's the last date to participate, and to whom the students should submit their names. So now let's read the content. All the students of class 1st to 12th are hereby informed that a school is organizing a dance competition on 1st July 2020 at 10 am in school auditorium. Willing students may give their names to their class teachers by 20th of June positively. For more details, contact the undersigned. After reading the content, we have given details like it's conducted on 1st of July 2020 at 10 am in the school auditorium. Last date to submit their names is 20th of June, and they have to give their names to their class teachers. So the last line is, for more details contact the undersigned. So children, you can use this line in any of the notice and of any other topic also. So you can contact the person, that the last line means is you can contact the person who has written the notice, like the name which is written in the last. Now leave one line and write down the name that is assigned to you in the question only, that is Rachit or Riya, and followed by its designation, head boy or head girl. So that's completed. I hope you all understood the notice very carefully. Stay fit, stay healthy, and thank you for watching this video.